I think I messed up. Welcome back to my channel, Forever Diverse Journeys. Are you dreading the chaos of boarding your Carnival cruise? If your cruise adventure starts with chaos, you're doing it wrong. The beginning of your journey should be as smooth as the ocean. Waves you'll soon be sailing on. Let's turn that chaos into calm, shall we? Follow these tips to sail smoothly and make the most of your Carnival cruise experience, and maybe avoid a few grey hairs. Hey cruisers, embarking on a Carnival cruise in 2024. Whether you're a first timer or a seasoned sailor, these tips will ensure a seamless start to your vacation. No more "where's my passport" panic attacks. Here's how to make your boarding experience a breeze. No more stress, just pure excitement, and maybe a little happy dance. First up, Carnival's got a new feature. Pick your boarding time. This means you can choose a time that works best for you and avoid the rush. It's like having a VIP pass to your own vacation. More control, less chaos. This simple step can make a huge difference in your boarding experience. Think of it as your first win of the trip. But hey, remember those capacity limits. Make sure to stick to your chosen time slot to keep things running smoothly. No one likes a line cutter, right? Before you even hit the port, double check your cruise details and download the Carnival Hub app. This app is a game changer. Seriously, it's like having a cruise concierge in your pocket. From checking in to booking excursions, it's all at your fingertips. And it won't judge you for checking it 50 times. Pack light, dress comfy, stay hydrated, and keep your essentials handy. And remember, no one ever said, "I wish I packed more stuff." And set a billion alarms if you have to. Missing your boarding time is a no-go. Trust me, you don't want to be that person running down the dock. Confirm your boarding time and plan your transport ahead. Knowing how you'll get to the port can save you a lot of last-minute stress and maybe a few frantic phone calls. To check in on Carnival's website, first visit carnival.com and log into your account. Navigate to the Manage My Booking section. Here, you will find an option to start the online check-in process. Fill in all the required information, including personal details, travel documents, and emergency contacts. Make sure to complete all sections and review your information before submitting. Once done, you can print your boarding pass and luggage tags. This will save you time at the port and ensure a smooth boarding experience. Once on board, take a moment to explore the ship. Familiarize yourself with the layout so you know where everything is. It's like a treasure hunt, but with more cocktails. Check out the dining options, entertainment venues, and relaxation spots. Carnival cruises offer a variety of amenities to make your trip unforgettable, and maybe a few Instagram-worthy moments. Don't forget to attend the muster drill. It's mandatory and ensures everyone's safety. Plus, it's a great way to meet your fellow cruisers. After the drill, unwind with a drink at one of the many bars or lounges. It's the perfect way to start your vacation. Cheers to smooth sailing. Follow these tips and you'll start your vacation stress-free. No worries, just fun and relaxation from the get-go. And maybe a few extra smiles. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell icon for more travel tips and cruise adventures. See you on the high seas.